Hey, it's Alex, the Big Soap Guy, here again with ChemQuest to talk today about titrations. You want to titrate your drying agent products to ensure you're delivering the desired consistency to every car. Drying agents typically have no foam or color in the bay, and the best way to determine their strength is by titration. To titrate drying agent products, you're going to need the following. Turn the function on and take your graduated cylinder to the bay to retrieve a sample from the application arch. Once you have your sample, let it settle. When settled, you're going to fill the mixing vial with your product. Once you have your sample of drying agent, follow the instructions to complete your titration. Consult with your chemical provider to make sure you've got the correct titration for the product you're applying and the situation. Thanks for watching. We hope you found the information in this video useful for your wash. If you'd have any other subjects you'd like us to cover, mention below. Also, like and subscribe. Thank you.